Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Gudiwal and as my today's topic is tree map and hash map. Okay, first of all, hash map and tree map. Java hash map and tree map both are the classes of the Java collection frameworks and Java map implementation. Usually acts buckets hash table when bucket too large. They get transformed info nodes or tree nodes, each structure similarly to those Java. Okay, then hash map. Actually, hash map implements map k comma v is a clonable, okay, and serializable interface. Okay, it extends abstract map kv class belong to package. Okay, and then uh, first is hash map contain value based on key on the key. Okay, and second one, it may have a single null key and multiple null values. Okay. Third one is hash map does not maintain order while inheriting. Okay. The fourth one is it contains unique elements. Okay, and then sixth one is it works on the principle of hashing. Then next, tree map. Tree map class extend abstract map k comma v class and implements navigable uh, navigable map and kv clonable and serializable interface. Tree map is an example of a sort map. It is implementation by red black tree, which means that the order of the key is stored. Okay, first is tree map also contain value based on the key. This is value based on the key. Tree map is a sort by key. Third one, it contain unique elements. Okay. Fourth one is it cannot have a null key but a multiple null values. Fifth one is key are in a ascending order. Key are is a ascending order, and sixth one is a store object the tree structure. Also the store is a tree structure. Okay, similarity between hash map and tree map is first is hash map hash map and tree map classes implements clonable and serializable interface. Second one, both of class extend abstract map kv k comma v map. Okay. Third one is a map is an object which store key value pair in the key pair. Each key unique but there may by duplicate. Okay. Fourth one is both classes represents the mapping from key to value. Fifth one is both are not syncoids. Okay. Sixth one is map use put and method add elements in the map. Okay. Seventh one throws concurrent modification exception in map modify way. Okay, hash map does not previous the location order while the tree map previous the order by using the compare to method comparator set the tree map constructor. Okay, basis hash map and tree map. Definition: Java HashMap is a hash table based in implementation of map interface. TreeMap: Java TreeMap is an tree structure based implementation of map. HashMap implementation map clonable and serializable. Okay, TreeMap implementation navigable map and clonable and serializable interface. And HashMap allow a single null key and multiple null values. Single null key and multiple null values. TreeMap does not allow null keys but can have multiple null value. HashMap allow heterogeneous element because it does not perform storing on key. TreeMap allows homogeneous value and key because of storing. Okay. HashMap is a faster than TreeMap, okay, because it provides a content time performing that is 0 1 for the basic operator, the get and put. TreeMap is a comparison to HashMap because it provides the performance 0 long n for most operations like add, remove, and contains. The HashMap class use the hash table. TreeMap internally use a red black tree which a self-belong binary search tree. Okay, it is use equals method of the object class to compare key. The equal method of map or overriding it. Okay, it use the compare to method to compare key. HashMap class contain only basis function like get, put, key, set, etc. TreeMap class is rich in functionality because contain functions like tailmap, first key, last key, poly first entry, poly last entry. Okay, HashMap does not maintainable or any order. The element TreeMap the elements are stored natural order ascending. Okay, the HashMap should be used when a do not equine key were store order. The TreeMap should use when a required value store ascending order. It's simple example. Public class HashMap TreeMap example. Public void main string args HashMap implementation and map interface string a equals to new HashMap interfacing a string. Okay, a dot put 9 and red, a dot put 1 black, a dot put 7 orange, a dot put and 5 white. It is a and sysout system.println the HashMap inter order. Okay, for loop map entry integer string entry a dot entry dot set. Okay, it is a simple example of TreeMap HashMap. Okay friends, thank you, bye.